Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your email on your Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead first access your Facebook app. First let's cross this all out and go back. And here in this home section, this kind of interface you're going to encounter. Right afterwards, go ahead, tap on your profile icon with your horizontal line top right corner, tap on this gear settings icon again, and tap on this Meta account center option, and go ahead, tap on this option called personal details below password and security, just right there, and tap on this contact info on top, where it will show contact info including your email address and your number. Go ahead, tap on this add new contact given below option and choose this add email address. Now go ahead and enter the particular email address that you would like to change to, and then afterwards you're going to go ahead, choose a particular account where you would like to change it. Now tap on next, and then you will get a verification code to verify that particular email account, and then you will be able to replace your previous one, aka change your email address here in Facebook like that. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you all. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.